Good morning, friends. Hope all of you are doing well, having good health, trying to establish in your fields. आज आज की इस सुप्रभात वेला में आप सब लोगों के अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की मंगल कामना करता हूँ। Today we may discuss something about maintenance of records and books of accounts as per GST. See, books of accounts are well defined in the GST Act as those are defined in Income Tax Act. Now, where to keep those books of accounts? Books of accounts are to be kept at the principal place of business and at the address given in the registration certificate of GST. In case a business entity has more than one branches, each branch has to maintain books of accounts at the branch address of which is given in the registration certificate of GST of the concerned assessee. Now, which are the books of accounts? Books of accounts are the proof of input we have taken, the proof of output we are paying, debit note, credit notes, receipt books, cash book, ledger, and all subsidiary books required to prove your turnover as per GST Act. Stock register is also required to be maintained for manufacturing units. In case a manufacturing unit gets work done from outsiders, then job work records and challans of that is also required to be maintained. Now the question arises, for how long assessee has to keep the records? Assessee, I mean GST registered assessee, is supposed to maintain such records for 72 months from the last date of annual filing of GST return. Here the filing of annual return is important, means if date of filing of annual return is extended by the government, this period automatically stands extended. Hence 72 months from the last date of filing of the annual return of a particular year is the time up to which each assessee has to keep the records. Now, how to maintain the books? It can be a hard copy, it can be in electronic form, no issue in that. Now the department's authority to see the books of accounts, department can demand to produce books of accounts to verify the turnover or verify the input output in case it has some doubt, and assessee is supposed to produce those books of accounts before the departmental officers. There is a provision of doing audit by the department also. There is a provision of doing audit of such books by a chartered accountant if your gross turnover exceeds rupees 5 crore annually. Hence, these things must be kept in mind while maintaining the books of accounts. And when the department asks for the books of accounts, and if the assessee produces the books of accounts in electronic form, he is supposed to provide a sample printout of such books and all the relevant passwords or codes which assessee has put for safety of the books of accounts, for security of the books of accounts. I hope the basic concept of keeping and maintaining books of accounts under GST is clear to you. In case you have any query, you are most welcome to talk to me. And if you will subscribe to my channel and you will put your queries, I shall be obliged. Thank you.